Hey everybody, welcome into today's video. My name is Ryan with the Crypto Report, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how to start investing in cryptocurrency. For those of you who are already investing in cryptocurrency, this probably is not the video for you, but I wanted to put out a short video, especially for those who are the listeners on the podcast who've been emailing me about, hey Ryan, how do I get started? We don't know what to do. Crypto is kind of complicated to invest in. So this video and this podcast is going to be for you. It's just going to be a really short, informal video. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to invest in cryptocurrency. First, we're going to start from the easiest, and then we're going to go all the way to sort of how you get to purchase altcoins, which is a little bit more complicated. So the first thing you want to do if you're new to investing in crypto and you just kind of want to get started, get your feet wet, is you have to find a crypto exchange. And there's a number of reputable ones out there right now to choose from. And I think most of you probably know who they are just from, I think, watching sports now. I think Tom Brady's involved in some. The Crypto.com Center is the Los Angeles Lakers' new home. But if you just type in crypto exchange and you go to, I'm actually on NerdWallet's website, and they've got 11 best crypto exchanges and apps of April 2022. And you got Coinbase, Gemini, eToro, Crypto.com, Kraken, Binance, BlockFi, Robinhood. We'll talk about that later, but I would absolutely not use that one for cryptocurrency. Maybe for stocks, but not for cryptocurrency. But here's a list of what NerdWallet considers to be their top 5 or top 10. I'm sorry. The one I personally use, I actually use Coinbase and eToro, but we're going to go through Coinbase today. Coinbase is by far the easiest I've found to get started with. And Coinbase, once you sign up, you actually get training classes on a few different cryptos. And once you do the training classes, they give you, I think, $25 worth of cryptocurrency. So I'm just going to go to the Coinbase website over here. So if you just go to Coinbase.com, this is what you'll see. And actually, I've got a link in here for $10 of free Bitcoin if you sign up through my link for Coinbase. But anyways, like I said, this is the one I use. All you got to do is you sign up here through sign up and get crypto. And you've got to put your personal information in. I can only speak from a U.S. perspective. I don't know what they do in some of the other countries, but I know I had to put my social security, a photo ID. I had to connect my phone with my phone number as well as email. And once they've got you verified, it's pretty simple from there. All you've got to do is put your credit or debit card in, and you can connect your PayPal. I think Venmo is also an option, but they make it really simple for you to pick the coins. Basically, really simple for you to just put your credit card or debit card in there and choose a coin that you want and choose the amount of money that you want to pay for the coin. Like, I think $10 is the minimum you can purchase, but you can go up from there. Let's say you want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. You put your credit card on Coinbase or debit card. You say, I want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. They'll say, okay, here's how much Bitcoin $100 is worth. And then they do charge you a fee. I think it's like 2% or something. It's a pretty nominal fee. And then basically you hit purchase and it goes through almost instantaneously after you sign up for Coinbase. And so, you'll have like $97 worth of Bitcoin, and then it'll tell you, like you can see here, how much it's actually worth. And, there's a lot of different options you can choose from. If you've not signed up and you just want to check this out, if you scroll down on crypto.com and go to the tradable section, you can see which coins you're eligible to buy directly from Coinbase. So you've got, your main one, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, USD coin, which is always essentially mirrored to the dollar. And they've got all assets, but what you want to do initially is just look at the tradable ones. It's got at least the top 50 coins, but I think they've got they've got 170 coins today that you can almost get instantaneously. And this is by far going to be the easiest way for you to get in the cryptocurrency space. The nice thing about this is if you go through an exchange at the end of the year, it's going to have the tax information for you to print out. It's going to have a very easy place to store all your coins, so you can just go on to Coinbase.com and look at them. You can also download the Coinbase wallet, which the Coinbase wallet, you can essentially move your coins from Coinbase.com to your wallet, which is a really nice feature, because if someone hacks Coinbase.com, they're not going to hack your wallet. They're not going to take your money. And honestly, once you get up to I don't know, $50,000, $60,000, I would not keep anything in any exchange. I would transfer it to a hardware wallet, and actually have a link to probably the best hardware wallet for the price in the show notes. But the point is, once you transfer it to a hardware wallet, you're the only one who has the code to that. So nobody out there can take any of your assets. It's stored directly on your wallet. But again, if you don't want to do that, Coinbase.com will have its own thing that you can keep your money up in there. And also, one other nice thing about Coinbase, and I don't know how the other exchanges work. I assume they work fairly similarly, but they have a $250,000 basically insurance policy. So if somebody hacks Coinbase.com and they steal, $200,000 of your coins or whatever, Coinbase will essentially replace that. That's sort of the guarantee they've given to you. And the other nice thing about Coinbase is Coinbase has a debit card. It's a prepaid debit card, and you can essentially get 4% cash back on any purchases. So let's say you purchased $1,000 on your car payment and some other payments. You would get $40 back to just put in to your crypto, so you could gain crypto that way. But for the purposes of this podcast and video, again, this is by far the easiest way to get started investing in crypto. Go to the exchange, fill your information out, and link your debit or credit card and or your PayPal to it, and just put in the money you want. It'll tell you the fee. It'll tell you, let's say you want to do $1,000 and you want to buy Bitcoin. It'll tell you how much Bitcoin you get for $1,000. Just click OK, and there you go. You're on your way to beginning investing in cryptocurrency. So this, if I'm starting out, this is the way I'm going to go. The other thing you're going to want to do is, if you want to start to get into altcoins, and again, Coinbase.com only has 170 coins you can invest in initially. So, there's a number of coins out there that aren't on the exchange. A lot of altcoins aren't on this exchange, as well as most of the other exchanges. So that's going to get a little more complicated. So we're going to go ahead and show you option number 2, which is another real easy way to do this. And that is, you go to moonpay.com. Now, first of all, what you're going to want to do is have a crypto wallet before you do this. There's a number of wallets out there. As I said earlier, Coinbase has a wallet. So if you download their digital wallet, you'll have a wallet address. And then the other one you might want to do, and this is what most folks do, is they get a Metamask wallet. So if you go to metamask.io, once again, for those on the podcast, that's metamask.io. You download this app. It is a browser app. So basically, when you open your browser, your MetaMask will be in the top right-hand corner. MetaMask, you can essentially, buy anything. Some of the wallets are specific to coins. They'll be like Ethereum only or Solana only. With MetaMask, you don't have to worry about that. You've got a ton of different options for all the different blockchains that are out there. So you download your MetaMask wallet, and it will give you a wallet address. And the wallet address is extremely important. So just remember that for a second. So anyways, if you go back to MoonPay, you can just go directly on here to MoonPay where it says buy crypto. You put in whatever cryptocurrency you want. So for the purposes of this, and there's a reason why I'm doing this, I'm going to hit Binance. And here's an example. We'll want to buy $300 in Binance. Binance coins. What is this? Something about scammers. Anyways, so Binance is actually something you're going to need to buy a lot of the, let's say, altcoins. So this is just an example. So you want to buy $300 in BNB or your Binance coin. You hit pay now. You go through whatever their process is to let you into the website. Once you get on there, it's going to ask you for a debit or credit card. You'll put that into MoonPay. You'll also put your associated wallet address, and you'll get that wallet address from Metamask. Once you download your Metamask or other wallet, and you're going to want to get the Binance wallet address, the BNB address. You'll put the BNB address in here. Once you hit continue, you'll buy whatever denomination of BNB that you've requested, whether it's $300, $500, $100, whatever the case may be. This updates, it looks like it updates quotes, pretty much every 10 seconds. There is a $4 processing fee and a network fee, and it'd be fairly low since it's BNB. But anyways, you'll go ahead and buy your BNB. You'll connect your MetaMask wallet to it. And then as soon as you purchase that, that money will go into your MetaMask wallet. So you can buy crypto directly, like I said, from moonpay.com. They got a bunch of different options. They got BTC, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, XLM, Link, Dogecoin, BNB, like I said, is the big one. And prior to this, it was kind of difficult to buy that. You cannot buy that from Coinbase. You can only buy that from Binance. And so it just gets more and more difficult. So it's great that you can just buy your BNB from MoonPay, and you don't have to worry about anything else. Like I said, as of today, you cannot buy it on Coinbase, and it's almost essential if you want to buy some altcoins. So, anyways, that's what I would do. So now that you have your crypto wallet in MetaMask and it's up here in your browser, you can go on to CoinMarketCap, and you can say, all right, I'm interested in buying an altcoin. What altcoins do I want to look at? And for the purposes of this video, we're going to pick Cyborg Shiba. It's up 315% today. I don't know anything about this coin, so please don't go out and buy it just based on this video or podcast. Like I said, I don't know anything about the coin. So you're on CoinMarketCap. If you go down here, you can see what contract the coin is in. And so, for example, this one is in the BNB, the Binance. So all you'll want to do is in CoinMarketCap, there is an address, a contract address. You click copy that address. Now, CoinMarketCap is an excellent site for getting addresses. At least in CoinMarketCap, that basically everything on here is legitimate. It's not some fictitious thing as far as addresses go. That's not to say these coins aren't going to tank. That's not to say they're not shit coins, but that's kind of where we are with CoinMarketCap. So, anyways, you've got your MetaMask wallet, and now that you've got your smart contract from CoinMarketCap. So, how do you buy Cyborg Shiba? Well, what you want to do is just go to Google and type in PancakeSwap, and then you'll get to PancakeSwap.finance. Click on it. If you have your MetaMask wallet installed, you want to click Connect Wallet. It will connect to that, and then you'll go to the Trade Now. And so you're going to exchange BNB. There'll be a drop down on the right for BNB. Let's say you want to do $100 worth or whatever. Okay, great. And then you go to the second portion of it for this at the bottom here, and you'll be able to search for a name of the coin. I probably would not do that. I would, like I said, just put directly the address of the coin. If you put the coin address in here, let's see. Yeah, I don't know what this address is, but put the coin address in here. So it will directly connect. Like I said, for this one is Cyborg Shiba. It will directly go to Cyborg Shiba. And that way, you're buying the correct token. Yep. So CBS is the token name, Cyborg Shiba. Hit import. You understand. And $100 worth of Binance is a big number for Cyborg Shiba. Slippage is 0.05%. In other words, that's how much money you'll lose. You'll basically lose once you connect it. But anyways, this is how you buy altcoins. This is the easiest way to buy altcoins. So once again, if you want to just get started in crypto, you want to look at the main coins, the main currency, sign up for Coinbase.com. It's by far the easiest. I've got a link to get you an extra $10. If you're past that point of, what you want to do, and you're kind of looking into altcoins, or just coins that aren't on Coinbase, go to MoonPay, put your debit or credit card, connect your wallet, purchase it, and you'll get, you'll get whatever your BNB or whatever you want to buy on there, and then you could go exchange it for an altcoin. So, anyways, those are sort of the three easiest ways to get crypto. If you've got any questions, either shoot me an email, or if you're on YouTube, just let me know on YouTube what you think. If you've got any feedback, if you've got any additional questions, let me know on that. But the only other thing I would have to say is please subscribe to the channel, or please give me a thumbs up in the podcast. Really interested in growing. And without your guys' help, I can't do that. So once again, everybody, thank you so much for your time. I hope this video was helpful. If you need anything, please just let me know, and I'll be happy to do it. Take care.